Good morning children, welcome to my class. Today I am continuing the first lesson of social, different climates of India. Different climates of India. So children, in the last class you had studied the topics, factors that affects the climate of India and the different seasons of India. So what are the factors that affects the climate of India? They are location, temperature, rainfall, direction of the wind and distance from the equator. So these are the factors that affects the climate of India. So what are the seasons are there in India? They are summer season, winter season and rainy season. These are the main three seasons in India. So in the last class we had studied these topics. And also we have discussed about the seasons summer and winter. In today's class, let us learn about monsoon season, spring season and autumn season. Okay, now let us learn about monsoon season. So it is also called rainy season. It is also called rainy season. In Kannada it is Malegala. Any season or monsoon season starts from the month of June and it continues till August. So monsoon season or rainy season starts from the month of June and it continues till August. But in some places rainfall occurs till November. For example, our HD Kote. Now we are in the month of November but still we are getting rain. Understood? Okay. During these months, means in monsoon season, during these months, different parts of the country experience rainfall. So Kerala is the first that receives the monsoon rain. Kerala is the first that receives the monsoon rain. So which is the receives the monsoon rain? It is Kerala. Next, so when it comes to agriculture in India, it is largely dependent on monsoon rain because it helps in irrigation. It helps in irrigation. In Kannada, irrigation means Neeravari. This monsoon season helps to irrigation and also sowing and harvesting takes place in this season. Sowing and harvesting takes place in this season. So sowing means what? In Kannada it is bitane. Bija bitane madodu anta heltivi. And harvesting means koilu athava katavu madudu. It also helps in sowing and harvesting of crops. If the monsoon does not carry adequate rain, it causes huge loss for farmers. If the monsoon does not carry enough rain, it causes a huge loss for farmers. Sometimes excessive rainfall leads to floods, while the lack of rain causes drought. So these are about monsoon season. Did you understand? Okay. Next, let us see about spring season. As I told you, regions like spring season. As I told you in the last class, regions like Northeast and Kashmir Valley experience spring season. So, this spring season comes after winter. So, this spring season comes after winter. In this spring season, in India, spring season is a short period of time. In India, spring season is a short period of time. In this season, trees and plants bear new leaves and new flowers. So, during this spring season, plants and trees bear new leaves and new flowers. So, it is a cool and pleasant season. So, spring season is a cool and pleasant season. It is all about spring season. Now, let us move to autumn season. Autumn season. This autumn season comes just after rainy season and just before the onset of winter. Autumn season comes after rainy season and comes just before onset of winter. So, during this season, many trees shed their leaves. During this season, during autumn season, many trees shed their leaves. In Kannada, we call it as Ele Uduruva Kala. Ele Uduruva Kala. During this autumn season, many trees shed their leaves. But also, it is pleasant and cool. As spring season, autumn season also pleasant and cool. It is the season of fruit gathering. Autumn season is the season of fruit gathering. During this time, plants bear fruits. Therefore, this autumn season called as fruit gathering season. Autumn season called as fruit gathering season. Which season we will call as fruit gathering season? It is autumn season. Understood? Okay children. In this chapter we have learned factors that affects the climate of India and the seasons of India. What are those? Summer season, winter season, monsoon season, spring season and autumn season. These are about this chapter. So I hope you all understood. We will see in the next class. Till then, be safe.